Imagine a 6-year-old. Now answer me this. Why isn't their brain the size of this tomato? Let's think about this. An average adult is about this big, and their brain weighs about 1.4 kilos, about the size of this melon. But an average 6-year-old is about this big, so their brain, if it was in proportion, would be the size of this tomato. But actually, it's the size of this melon, which is about 10% smaller than my melon. In 2022, Nature did a study of 100,000 brains scanned from the womb through to the age of 100. It found that the grey matter, which is the brain cells themselves, peaked at 5 years, 11 months. But here's the really crazy part. My brain is using about 20% of my energy. A kid's brain uses over 50% of theirs. So why would a body do that? Slow down its own growth just to feed a brain? Well, that's because we made a trade. This wildebeest is a few hours old and it's already pretty good at wildebeesting. Everything it needs arrived in its genes. We get very little of that. Reading, writing, arithmetic, fire, farming, football, none of that is written in us. Every generation hands it to the next, in person, and every generation adds to the pile. That pile is the biggest thing our species owns, and every new person has to download the lot. It takes a hard drive this big. Filling it takes years. The wildebeest got its instructions in its genes. Your kid gets them from you, your family, your community, your culture. Follow me for more of the science of early childhood and how parents fill the gap.